Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the device off and removing SIM or SD cards to avoid damage. Use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger. Keep screws organized because mixing sizes breaks threads. Once tools are ready, pry the back or screen gently at the designated seam. Slow pressure prevents clip damage. Then lift the cover enough to access the volume button assembly. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static. This step prevents shorting delicate contacts as you continue. You now expose the volume button assembly and inspect the flex cable and switch bracket closely. You're looking for loose solder, bent contacts, or corrosion. If the connector looks loose, reseat it by lifting the latch and reinserting the flex. This often restores contact. Once done, clean the contact area with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush to remove grime that impedes conductivity. Make sure to let surfaces dry briefly, so no residue remains before reassembly. You reassemble by aligning the cover, snapping clips back into place, and reinstalling screws in their original positions. This preserves fit and pressure on the switch. Power the device and test volume up and down. Also try headphones to isolate speaker issues. If the button still fails intermittently, make sure to try a software reset or safe mode to rule out software conflicts. If hardware is still faulty, replace the switch flex or the entire button module. That usually fixes persistent physical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.